Let your beauty sing.
Oh my goodness. I see influencers all the time doing these kind of things. I'll show you what it is. Okay, how many times have you seen this? Oh my gosh, I'm opening up a bottle and I've got a pipette and I'm gonna take this pipette and I'm gonna spray it all over my face. I'm gonna spray the product all over my face. Whether it's foundations or oils, I see this all the time in adverts where they get these influencers, and I'm gonna shout about it because look, I've been in the industry, the beauty industry, for a very long time now. And when I see these kind of things happening, I'm like, no. And I've also advised the actual product manufacturers or the brand, etc., and told them it's a no-go because people are going to be doing that. And there's so many different reasons why you shouldn't do that. Okay, now if I was going to do this and use a pipette and go, oh my god, it's right in my face, oh yeah, no, because there are reasons beyond contamination. Oh my god, how many times have you seen that pipette touch the face? I mean, seriously, it's touched the face to a point you're like, oh my god, are you putting that pipette back in the bottle? Oh no, please don't do that, please don't do that. The other thing is, how much product are they putting on their face? Now, when they're advertising, I can understand you want to show the product off, blah, blah, but, and then it says in the instructions, and only use a small pea-sized amount. And you look at the advert and go, hang on a minute, but she was spraying a whole load. She's pipetting all this stuff on her face. And that didn't look like a little pea-sized amount. That looked like a whole washout. You're thinking, what are you doing? What are you doing? Foundation is another one where there's liquid foundation and they're just going absolutely mental. This liquid, yes, just squirt it all over the face. Yeah. No, please don't do that. Please don't do that. Don't do it. When it comes to anything to do with oils, where you've got a pipette, all I want you to do, I'm going to show you what to do. I'm not going to take too much oil out. I've been using it beforehand, but you're going to drop the oil into your hand, like so. 1, 2, or 3 drops, depending on your face. Remember, less is more. Sometimes less, you add it to the face, go, okay, maybe I could do another drop. Please don't squirt it all over your face. You're gonna really lose product. You're gonna lose so much product to the point you're gonna buy more product when you could have had that for another 6 months, okay? When you've got it in your hand, smell it if it's a lovely oil, and then rub into your palms, like so, and then put it on your face. You could press it into your face, like so. You can rub into the face, lovely circular motions into the face, like so. In the neck, remember with your neck, right? You're going upwards. I see so many people dragging their neck down. Why would you want to drag your skin down? You want to lift it up into the jawline, lift it into the jawline, lift it into the jawline, lift it into the jawline, okay? So please remember, when it comes to seeing those adverts where people are going, especially those influencers are going absolutely mental with their pipettes and their oils and their foundations and they're chucking it all over their skin, don't do it. You might find that there's some teaching makeup and they do exactly that as well. They just go squirt, and they expect you to do exactly the same. When you squirt too much product on the face, sometimes obviously it's too much that you don't need to put that much on. You will find obviously you're losing product as well, and then you don't know what to do with it. You don't know how to take it all off the face because it's just too much. So please have that in mind when you see the next product, when you see the next influencer try to throw all the products all over their face. Don't do it. I'm Suze Jo Health. Oh, let your beauty sing, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.
Let your beauty